My name is Marcel Valken and I'm going to present you the Korenwijn Old Fashioned. It's one of my own creations. Korenwijn is basically a juniper-based spirit. Korenwijn has a little bit more malt. That means that it's going a little bit towards the whiskey side. First, I'm gonna chill my glass and then I will explain you how I'm gonna make this cocktail. This is a stirred cocktail. Gonna put some ice in. I'm gonna use 4 dashes of lemon bitters to make it really refreshing. I'm gonna use my homemade Juniper/Clove syrup. It's very simple to make a syrup at home yourself. You just boil 1 kilo of sugar, 1 liter of water together with the ingredient that you are using. I'm gonna use 5 ml because you don't want it to be too sweet. And then last but not least, we're gonna use the Korenwijn. It's a typical Dutch traditional spirit. There we go, 60 ml. So we're marrying the 3 ingredients together now. So basically what you do, you dilute it. It's very important that you don't dilute it too much. Oh, now it's not good yet, so we're just gonna continue. And then of course we're gonna try it one more time. I think it's gonna be good now. Oh yes, that's perfect. So I'm gonna throw this away and put some fresh ice cubes, which is always important to have fresh ice. And then we're gonna strain it. And then for this drink, we're gonna make a nice rose from the peel of a lemon. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So if you hold it above the glass, then you will also get some of the aromas into the drink, which is very nice. So I'm just gonna get another one here, because when you have 2, you can make a very nice rose. So you're just gonna turn this in like this, and then you're gonna put the other one around as well. Then we're gonna use a small cocktail pick, and then we put it in. And then you just put it on the rim of the glass. And then last but not least, we're gonna use some cloves in there. I'm just gonna crush it a little bit to get the aromas out of the cloves and put it in the middle of the lemon rose. This is my Korenwijn Old Fashioned. Enjoy!